My soup for today, guys. So, ayan siya. 4 na klase. Ayan. 3 dates. Tsaka bone pork. So, ayan lang, guys. Kasi 2 tao lang naman ang iinom ng soup na yan, guys. So, let's start to cook soup. So, ayan na, guys. Boiling na siya. So, ilagay na natin ang ating ayan, bone pork. Ang ating red dates. So, tapos itong natirang 2. Lagay na natin lahat, guys. Ayan. At pagkatapos, antayin natin, guys, ng mag-boil ng 2 hours. And that's it. Lagay lang. Wala nang ilalagay dyan, guys, kundi yan lang. Kasi manamis-namis yung soup nito, guys. Sa ganitong soup. So, waiting for 2 hours. See you later after 2 hours, guys. After 2 hours, guys, tingnan na natin. Ayan ang ating soup for today. So, ayan na siya, guys. Ayan na. Ayan na yung sabaw niya. Ayan. So, ayan, guys, ang ating soup for today. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.